Guys, this is Brian Calvert here with another video. I'm here with my sister. I'm going to make slime with her.
Yes, my name is Chloe. You can add me. I'll put it down here in his subscription. Chloe_bug1217. But let's get into the video. So, we're going to need bowls, which I got two because one's for him and one's for me. We'll also need shampoo, laundry detergent, and spoons. And that's all you're really going to need. We're just experimenting because I've been watching videos, so let's get to it. So, let's see if this actually works. Two. There's your spoon. Just get all the bubbles out. Just stir the shampoo up to make sure there's no bubbles and make sure it's like all steady and stuff. It smells really good, by the way.
It does smell good.
I don't even know how much of this we really need, so I'm just gonna give you like half of it.
Then you stir it.
Yeah.
So we're getting blue slime, right?
If it will work, like, I don't even know if this thing's gonna work.
Then what else do you do? Let it sit in the cold?
No. As you can tell, I don't really think this is working. Keep stirring.
Can you put some in mine too?
Hold up.
I'll do it.
I wonder if hand soap will work. Maybe it will, maybe it won't.
It feels kind of slimy.
Yeah, it's like the stuff you buy at like a store and like it's like I said, it's just experimenting. I don't really know if this is gonna work out.
I feel kind of like stickiness at the bottom of the bowl.
Ooh.
It's becoming slimy. Then you put it in the cold, right?
I mean, we could try that, but I mean, I don't know if that's like really what you like. Like I said, experimenting.
What was that?
Lightning struck.
I got it on my other hand.
This looks like it's like thickening it up a lot.
That sounds really loud. Okay, you guys leave in the comments if you like this video. Yeah. And then if you guys try
I think this is an epic fail because like this little girl that I was watching, like this stuff is like, no. I'm probably just gonna like let it like sit in the freezer or something. Maybe it will work. I'm not sure, but
I'll see you guys back in the next video.
I say that this experiment was a fail, but we will be back with our next video.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
There.
See, look, you did it. Yours turned out a lot more gooier than mine.
I know. I felt like something down in my bowl.
Well, I guess we're just gonna put them in the freezer and see what happens. Not really sure what's gonna happen though.
I hope it doesn't get frozen, is what I'm trying to think right now. Well, that was a good experiment, but if this really does work, You're welcome for helping me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can post that on your channel. I'll just have to delete a lot of stuff on my phone.